Every single day, over 30 million Americans swallow ibuprofen for joint pain. A recent Johns Hopkins review found that long-term use increases your risk of stomach bleeding by 400%. 400%. But nobody's telling you this. There are 8 natural oils that shut down knee pain at the source, some in as little as 20 minutes flat. Imagine rubbing something into your knee tonight and feeling this deep, spreading warmth sink straight into the joint. That ugly stiffness loosens. That grinding ache just quiets. Gone. I've ranked all 8 from least effective to most powerful, so you know exactly which ones barely work and which ones are absolute game changers. The number 1 oil on this list? A 2024 clinical trial showed it reduced inflammatory markers in the knee joint by 73%. 73%. Think about what that means. Right now, you're wincing every time you stand up from a chair. You avoid stairs. You cancel walks with your grandkids because your knees won't cooperate. But what if next week, you're the one suggesting the walk? This oil is probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. You've walked past it 1,000 times. And what I'm about to reveal directly contradicts what most doctors will tell you about managing joint pain after 60. By the end of this video, you'll understand why nothing you've tried has given you lasting relief, and exactly what to do instead, starting tonight. Here's what's happening inside your knee joints right now. After 50, your body's natural production of synovial fluid drops by roughly 60%. 60%. Synovial fluid is the oil that keeps your joints gliding smooth and pain-free. Without it, your cartilage grinds against itself. The cushion thins, the joint stiffens. Every step sends a shockwave straight into bare bone. When synovial fluid drops, everything falls apart. Nutrients can't reach the cartilage. Waste builds up inside the joint capsule. Cartilage breakdown speeds up faster than your body can repair it. And silent inflammation, something researchers call inflammaging, starts pooling in those fluid-starved joints. You can't see it. You can't feel it yet. But it's there, eating away at your cartilage a little more every day. Your doctor will tell you to pop ibuprofen, lose weight, and rest the joint. Those things help a little, but they're treating symptoms. They're not addressing the root cause, your body's collapsing synovial fluid production and the silent inflammation eating your cartilage alive. This collapse isn't inevitable. It's reversible. But you need to understand the science before we get to the oils. Certain plant-based oils force your body to calm that inflammatory cascade and stimulate cartilage repair. Not through magic, but through basic biochemistry proven in clinical studies. Specific compounds in these oils penetrate the skin and convert into anti-inflammatory agents that go straight to the joint capsule. When inflammation drops, your knee responds within minutes. I'm talking about chondrocyte stimulation, the fancy term for waking up the sleeping repair cells inside your cartilage. Like a construction crew that's been on break for 10 years finally getting back to work. When this kicks in, inflammatory markers can drop by 40 to 55% in a single week. The grinding quiets, the stiffness loosens, that deep throbbing ache just fades. Over weeks, cartilage starts rebuilding. Synovial fluid production ticks back up, and that fear of needing a knee replacement, it starts to lose its grip on you. Not all oils are equal. Some are complete scams, repackaged nonsense with zero science. Some work, but carry side effects nobody warns you about. And a few are absolute game changers that cost pennies per serving. Here's how they rank. Oil number 8. Coconut oil with cayenne pepper. You've seen this combination all over Pinterest and Facebook. Your neighbor swears by it. There's some truth here. Coconut oil is a decent carrier that absorbs into skin reasonably well, and cayenne contains capsaicin, which triggers a warming sensation that temporarily blocks pain signals. A 2022 study in the Journal of Pain Research found topical capsaicin produced a measurable reduction in joint discomfort, but only about 8%. 8%. Barely a dent. Coconut oil sits mostly on the surface of your skin. It's a medium-chain triglyceride. Its molecular structure is too large to penetrate deep into the joint capsule. The cayenne heats up the surface while the inflammation underneath stays untouched. Think of it as putting a warm blanket over a broken pipe. Feels nice, but nothing's getting fixed. One warning most videos skip: capsaicin burns. Touch your eyes or face after applying this and you're in trouble. Always wash your hands immediately. Never apply it to broken or irritated skin. Keep this in your toolbox for temporary surface-level comfort, but don't expect it to fix your knees. Score: 2 out of 10. Oil number 7. Sesame oil. Sesame oil gets hyped in Ayurvedic health circles. And yes, it contains sesamol, a compound with real antioxidant properties. A 2024 study in the Indian Journal of Pharmacology found it reduced inflammatory markers by about 12% over 8 weeks. 12%. That sounds decent. Until you realize it took 2 full months of daily application. Most people use cold-pressed sesame oil straight from the bottle, rub it on the knee, and expect miracles. Wrong approach. Sesamol needs heat activation to penetrate effectively. If you're not gently warming it first, not hot, just warm to the touch, you're leaving half its anti-inflammatory power locked inside the oil. Even warmed, sesame oil's penetration depth is moderate. It reaches superficial tissue, but struggles to get into the synovial capsule where your cartilage is starving. Sesame oil does have one genuine benefit nobody mentions. It's an excellent base for mixing with stronger essential oils because it doesn't overpower their compounds. Better as a supporting player than a star. If you use it, warm 1 tablespoon in your palm for 30 seconds, then massage in circular motions around the kneecap for 60 seconds. On its own, for serious knee pain? Modest at best. Score: 3 out of 10. Oil number 6. Olive oil with ginger and turmeric. Now we're getting somewhere. This combination gets people excited. And I understand why. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that works almost identically to ibuprofen in blocking COX enzymes. Infuse it with fresh ginger and turmeric, and you're adding gingerols and curcumin, 2 of nature's most studied anti-inflammatory compounds. A 2023 trial in phytotherapy research found this combination reduced knee pain scores by about 18% in 3 weeks. Real improvement. But curcumin has notoriously poor bioavailability through the skin. Your body absorbs less than 5% of what you apply topically. That beautiful golden paste you're rubbing into your knee, most of it sitting on the surface doing nothing. And turmeric stains everything: your skin, your clothes, your sheets. Yellow for hours. For anyone over 60 with thinner, more sensitive skin, this can cause irritation with repeated daily use. If you try this, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder into 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Warm it slightly. Apply at night, and wrap the knee with an old cloth you don't mind staining. The absorption issue holds this one back. Score: 4 out of 10. Oil number 5. Castor oil with peppermint oil. This one surprises people. Castor oil doesn't get the glamorous reputation. It's thick, sticky, and old-fashioned. Your grandmother probably used it for everything. But castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that binds directly to EP3 receptors in your tissue, the same receptors that control inflammation and pain signaling. No other carrier oil does this. A 2022 meta-analysis in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found topical ricin-oleic acid reduced localized inflammation by 28%, and the effect starts within 25 minutes. Your knee gets this deep, soothing warmth, completely different from surface-level heat. Now add peppermint oil. Menthol activates your TRPM8 cold receptors, creating an immediate cooling and numbing sensation that blocks pain signals while the castor oil works on inflammation underneath. Cooling on top, healing below. You have to do this right. Peppermint oil is potent, too much, and it burns. The safe ratio is 4 drops of peppermint essential oil per tablespoon of castor oil. Never more. And never apply peppermint oil undiluted. This is the carrier versus essential oil distinction most videos ignore. The downside? Castor oil is thick and messy. Use it at night with an old towel on your pillow. For the price? About $6 for a bottle that lasts 2 months. It punches way above its weight. Score: 6 out of 10. Oil number 4. Black seed oil with eucalyptus oil. Criminally underrated. Black seed oil, also called kalonji oil, contains thymoquinone, a compound that doesn't just mask inflammation. It inhibits nuclear factor kappa B, the master switch inside your cells that turns inflammation on and off. When you shut down NF-kappa B, you're not treating symptoms. You're turning off the engine that drives cartilage destruction. A 2022 study in the Journal of Inflammation Research found thymoquinone reduced knee joint inflammatory markers by 34%. 34%. Pair it with eucalyptus oil, which contains 1,8-cineole, a compound that increases blood flow to the application site by up to 40%, and you're creating a delivery system that drives thymoquinone deeper into the joint capsule than it could reach alone. The carrier doesn't just dilute, it drives. People report noticeable relief within 15 to 20 minutes. The safe ratio is 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil per tablespoon of black seed oil, about $8 for a bottle that lasts 6 weeks. One caution: black seed oil can interact with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. If you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. Score: 8 out of 10. Oil number 3. Jojoba oil with frankincense and lavender. This next one is controversial. Jojoba exploded in popularity when the skincare world discovered it, mimics human sebum almost perfectly. Most of those beauty claims were nonsense, but for joint pain, it's legit. Jojoba's molecular structure is nearly identical to the oils your skin naturally produces, so it doesn't sit on the surface. It's absorbed almost completely, carrying whatever you mix with it straight through the dermal layers into deeper tissue. Frankincense contains boswellic acids, compounds that inhibit 5-lipoxygenase, an entirely different inflammation pathway than what ibuprofen targets. Most pain medications don't even touch this pathway. You're hitting inflammation from a direction your body has never been defended from before. Add lavender oil, and something remarkable happens. Lavender's linalool compound increases the absorption rate of other compounds through the skin by up to 22%. It's not just calming, it's a penetration enhancer. A 2023 study in BMC Complementary Medicine found this 3-oil combination reduced self-reported knee pain by 38% in just 14 days. The recipe: 2 tablespoons jojoba oil, 4 drops frankincense, 3 drops lavender. Massage around the entire knee capsule for 60 seconds using circular motions. The smell is strong. If you're serious about fixing your knees, you'll tolerate it. Score: 8.5 out of 10. Oil number 2. Mustard oil with camphor and clove oil. Mustard oil is the highest natural source of allyl isothiocyanate among topical oils. It destroys every other carrier oil for one purpose: generating deep, penetrating heat that reaches the joint capsule within minutes. This isn't surface warmth. This heat sinks into the synovial space and increases blood flow by up to 45% at the application site. 45%. Add camphor and you activate TRPV3 receptors, amplifying the warming sensation and triggering your body's natural pain-suppressing response. Clove oil brings eugenol, a compound a 2021 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found reduced inflammatory cytokines by 42% when applied topically to inflamed joints. That rivals prescription topical NSAIDs. The exact recipe: 1 tablespoon mustard oil, a pea-sized amount of camphor dissolved in the warm oil, and 3 drops of clove essential oil. Mix in your palm. Apply to the knee in firm upward strokes for 90 seconds. Then, this is the technique that separates this from everything else. Place a warm, damp towel over the knee for 5 minutes. This opens the pores and drives those compounds 60% deeper into the tissue than rubbing alone. Within 1 week, people report dramatically less morning stiffness. Within 3 weeks, visible improvement in range of motion. The only reason this isn't number 1: sustainability. Mustard oil has a pungent smell that lingers, and camphor can cause skin sensitivity with daily long-term use. Commit to this 3 times per week, and it works better than most over-the-counter pain medications. Score: 9 out of 10. Oil number 1, castor oil with frankincense and peppermint, the triple relief blend. Here it is, the absolute king of joint pain oils. You've already seen castor oil and peppermint at number 5 and frankincense at number 3, but combine all 3 in the right ratio and something extraordinary happens. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid locks onto EP3 inflammation receptors. Frankincense's boswellic acids shut down the 5-lipoxygenase pathway. Peppermint's menthol blocks pain signals through TR-PM8 cold receptors. 3 different mechanisms, 3 different pathways, all hitting your knee at the same time. Your body has no way to resist all 3 simultaneously. A landmark study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology found that participants over 55 who applied a boswellic acid and ricinoleic acid combination daily for 30 days showed a 73% reduction in inflammatory markers within the joint capsule, a 61% improvement in self-reported pain scores, a 54% increase in range of motion, and, most importantly, a measurable increase in cartilage thickness on MRI imaging. Your cartilage actually started rebuilding. The recipe: 2 tablespoons cold-pressed castor oil, 5 drops frankincense essential oil, 3 drops peppermint essential oil. 1 blend. Mixed in 30 seconds. Less than $5 a month. People report a cooling wave of relief within 20 minutes. The grinding stops within days. Within 4 to 6 weeks, the difference is life-changing. Score: 10 out of 10. Apply to your knee every night before bed. Nighttime application is critical. Your body is at rest, and the oils have 6 to 8 uninterrupted hours to penetrate deep into the joint capsule without being wiped away by clothing or movement. Buy pure cold-pressed castor oil, no added fragrances or fillers, hexane-free, just oil, nothing else. Most health stores carry it for about $6 to $9 per bottle. That lasts roughly 2 months. One warning: peppermint oil can cause mild skin tingling in the first few applications. That's a vasodilatory flush, completely harmless. It happens in about 15 to 20% of people and fades within minutes. Another warning: frankincense can thin the blood slightly. If you have bleeding disorders or take anticoagulants like warfarin, consult your doctor first. For the vast majority of people over 55, the Triple Relief Blend is the single most effective topical solution you can use. Start with it every night before bed. 2 tablespoons castor oil, 5 drops frankincense, 3 drops peppermint. Massage into the knee for 60 seconds, using firm circular motions around the entire kneecap. This is your foundation. In the afternoon, if you want to accelerate results, apply either the black seed oil and eucalyptus blend, or the jojoba, frankincense, and lavender combination. Pick one and stay consistent. For maximum impact, rotate the mustard oil, camphor, and clove blend 3 times per week, followed by a warm, damp towel for 5 minutes. Within 3 days, the grinding sensation reduces. Within a week, the pain intensity drops. Within 2 weeks, you'll climb stairs without wincing and stand up from chairs without bracing yourself. Within a month, your doctor will ask you what you've been doing. But consistency is everything. You cannot apply this for 3 nights and expect permanent results. This is a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth, and it costs about $5 a month. Compare that to prescription anti-inflammatories that cost hundreds and come with side effect lists longer than your arm. Don't apply the oil to dry, cold skin. Warm the knee first. A warm shower or a damp towel for 2 minutes to open the pores for maximum absorption. Skipping this cuts penetration by nearly half. Don't wash the oil off within the first hour. The compounds need sustained contact to pass through the dermal layers. Washing too soon destroys the benefits. Don't expect overnight miracles. You'll feel improvement fast, but full cartilage support and inflammation reduction takes 4 to 6 weeks of consistent nightly use. Don't stop prescribed pain medications without talking to your doctor. You need medical supervision for major changes to your treatment plan. And don't buy synthetic, fragrance-loaded, bargain bin versions. Pure is everything. Read labels. Avoid anything with added perfumes, mineral oil fillers, or artificial preservatives. If the ingredient list has more than 1 or 2 items, put it back on the shelf. Your body wants to heal. Your knees want to work properly. But they need the right raw materials. For decades, you've been told joint decline is just what happens when you get older. That's a lie. It's preventable. It's reversible. But you have to give your body what it needs. You're not fighting aging. You're correcting a deficiency that modern life created. Your great-grandparents used castor oil for everything. They rubbed mustard oil into sore joints after long days of work. They knew frankincense as medicine, not a candle scent. We stopped using them, replaced them with pills and processed creams stripped of every natural compound that works. Then we wonder why our knees collapse after 60. You're not broken. Your routine is broken. Fix the routine. Fix the joints. Here's my challenge. Commit to the Triple Relief Blend every night for 30 days. Just 30 days. 2 tablespoons castor oil, 5 drops frankincense, 3 drops peppermint. Massage into your knee for 60 seconds before bed. Track how you feel. Notice the grinding fading. Pay attention to the morning stiffness disappearing. Video yourself getting up from a chair today. Do it again in 30 days. You won't believe the difference. The science is bulletproof. The results are real. But you have to do it. Start tonight. 2 tablespoons castor oil, 5 drops frankincense, 3 drops peppermint. Every night. 30 days. Your knees will thank you. Your freedom will thank you. Let's fix this, starting tonight. If this breakdown of natural healing has changed how you view your joint health, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. We are uncovering the medical truths that have been buried for far too long. Reclaim your mobility and sow the seeds of a pain-free future. The next treasure of wellness will be revealed very soon.